Hi everyone and welcome back to today's Morning Report. Charles Perez on Tuesday the 22nd of December with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Antec Markets, looking at dollar yen, and just sort of consolidated the move from Friday, but it certainly seems that there is a slight bearish sort of tilt to this sort of medium term neutral outlook on this chart. It's interesting that we're now back at and playing around with the Fibonacci levels pretty much to the pip yesterday. We traded between the 50% and the 38.2% levels. And again, we're basically back on that 50% fib level of this rally October to November. From 118.04 to 123.67. So you break below that 50% level, you start to think about the 61.8% level of 120.15, 120.20, but 120.15 is sort of consolidation of lows here through late October, early November. So there is this sort of slightly corrective and bearish tendency in the momentum, and that's only developing as today's sort of momentum has started to take dollar yen lower again, sort of 20 pips down to the downside. Yeah, you've got the sort of lower highs on the RSI, and the RSI sort of moving back towards the sort of 40s, maybe into the 30s again. The MACD line's falling, the stochastics also having turned lower. So the momentum is beginning to shift as this European trading session has got going. It wasn't really such the case this morning, but as I wrote the morning report in the Asian session, but certainly as the Europeans have come in, they've pushed dollar yen lower again. If that continues to be the case, then you could start to see again a retest of potentially that 120.32 reaction low from last week. But certainly this is the hourly chart, and the momentum looks to be sort of turning lower. As I said, if you start to see the RSI below 30 on a consistent basis, then yes, I think we could be starting to move towards a test of those supports. So you'd start to think about sort of using little rebound highs as your selling opportunity. 121.30 was the high today so far. That's sort of coming in underneath the sort of 121.50 area, which is sort of almost a pivot band now. But certainly the key level on the medium term chart is still this 122.20, and trading below that, you're sort of looking a little bit more corrective, aren't you? So this 50% fib level is increasingly key, I think, as the near term chart looks. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.